we were all standing here just talking about how much we enjoy, warm beverages during the winter time at this time of year. I'm a coffee drinker anyway, so in the morning I love to have a couple of cups of coffee. It's just, yeah, I just love it. It wakes me up in the morning. But also, I really like hot chocolate, and I think everybody in the room agrees hot chocolate is great, especially in the wintertime. So today we're going to make a little hot chocolate. It's not your average hot chocolate. It's a little different. You can go exactly by this recipe if you like, or you can shake it up, whatever you want to do. But the basics are milk and half and half and malted milk powder with a little marshmallow creme. And we're going to use white chocolate today. So it's really simple. Everything just goes into a saucepan. And the recipe that you're going to see, we've cut into thirds. We're not making a big giant, we're not making the full recipe. We've cut it into thirds. So milk, half and half. And to that, it would help if I get my stovetop going. And to that, we will add, here we go, some malted milk powder. Okay. I'm just going to, not long enough that we need to take a break. I'm just going to go ahead and break down the malted milk powder and get it mixed in. And this is going to only take a few minutes on the stovetop. So to that, I'm going to add a little bit of marshmallow creme, and I need a spoon for that. That ain't pouring out. I thought it was soft. It is not soft.
It's a fluff, marshmallow fluff.
Marshmallow fluff. And I'm going to put a couple of big dollops in there. I like marshmallow. And there's the clicking.
Only one way to get rid of that.
Yeah, exactly. I know. I was going to lick it, but letters. Okay. Take just a few minutes for this to break down, and I'm going to add also, you would think that we could get rid of that click on the stovetop.
I think when you make a breeze go by it, it starts.
Maybe that's it. So some white chocolate. I love white chocolate. Let's see. Let's try again.
Might want to move it to another.
Voila. Sometimes you turn it off and turn it on again, and you get your wish.
Maybe not.
And a little bit of vanilla extract. Maybe a couple of teaspoons. Those are halves. I'll do 1.5 teaspoons. We'll take a break. I'll find an eye that doesn't click. And we'll come right back. Our hot chocolate is hot and looks and smells wonderful. I don't know about you, but I really, really like white chocolate. This is such a huge mug. I'm not going to fill it all the way up. So dressing it, all right? You could use a leftover candy cane from Christmas, or you could use a cinnamon stick. Or if you wanted, you could use a little Ready Whip in the can, put a little whipped cream on top. Or you could add some of the marshmallow creme to the top if you wanted. But I think I'm just going to give it a little stir with the cinnamon stick. And the taste, let's see. It was hot. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Wow, that is delicious. That is so tasty. Man, you should taste this. White chocolate is the bomb.
It is the bomb.
It's so good. I could drink that whole saucepan of it. That is so yummy, so delicious. So do yourself a favor, because it's in some parts of the country, it's really cold. Here in Savannah, it's mild. But if you're in Minnesota, it's really do the trick. So anyway, turn the air down. Let's all have hot chocolate. That's wonderful. So Happy holidays, happy New Year, happy Easter. Before you know it, it'll be Christmas again. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.